Okay, we are in a 2-queen lagoon view room. We booked a standard view, but they upgraded us. This is our bathroom. Got some towels. This is the Universal brand of toiletries. This is really nice, like it's really well done. The shower. And then across from our bathroom, we have a closet. Just basic closet, extra pillow, luggage rack. This is a connecting room, so there's a connecting door right there. We're obviously not opening that because we're not connected to anybody. Oh, the artwork in here is cute. Your bedside table. Outlets with USB ports. I love that these hotel rooms still have an iHome. I don't think I've used an iHome since like 2006. We have a desk. And then over here, we have a TV stand / dresser. Drawers in here if you want to unpack. I'm an unpacker. I like to unpack. We're only here for one night, so I probably won't unpack here. And then a little beverage cooler. And then this is the view. This is beautiful. So that's the lobby over there. So we had to walk all the way over here. It was a long walk. We're in like the very last room. But then behind the lobby on the other side of that tower is the pool. So you can see like everything from this area. So we have Loews Royal Pacific, Surfside, Dockside, our building, Aventura, and then a little teeny tiny peek of Cabana Bay. Yeah, so this hotel is still connected to the water taxi and the walking path. So essentially the way that Universal is set up, City Walk is in the middle. Then you have Loews Royal Pacific, which is where we just were. Then you have Loews Sapphire Falls. And then on the other side, you have Hard Rock and then Portofino Bay. So when we stayed at Portofino Bay last year, Justin and I, we had a much longer walk, but we had a really nice hotel, so it was kind of worth it. We used the water taxi and then we did walk a couple times. It wasn't too bad. But here, it's kind of the same walk as if you were staying at Loews Portofino, so it's not far. It's just a little bit further than Sapphire Falls and Hard Rock.